Most people think crows disappear after sunset, that once the sky turns dark, they retreat somewhere unseen and simply stop existing until morning. But they do not. Even now, while neighborhoods grow quiet and bedroom lights begin turning off across entire cities, crows are still awake somewhere nearby, watching traffic fade, watching humans return home, watching streets empty, and most people never realize how much crow activity continues after they stop looking outside, because crows do not experience nighttime the way humans do. To humans, darkness feels like absence. To crows, darkness changes the rules. It creates a different world, a quieter world, a world where intelligent observation becomes easier. And what crows do when they think nobody is watching is far stranger than most people realize, especially once they begin recognizing human routines, because crows are not simply surviving around people anymore. In many places, they are studying them. Researchers who observe urban crow behavior say something important happens once crows become familiar with human environments. They stop reacting randomly. Instead, they begin building predictive mental maps. Maps of movement, maps of danger, maps of food, maps of human behavior. And over time, specific humans become part of those maps. The person who leaves the same house every morning, the person who parks in the same place every night, the person who walks a dog at predictable hours, the person who feeds animals, the person who notices crows watching. To humans, these details feel insignificant. To crows, they become patterns, and intelligent animals survive through patterns. That is one reason crows fascinate scientists so deeply. Most birds react to environments instinctively. Crows analyze them. They learn, predict, adapt. And perhaps most unsettling of all, most people see these moments briefly and move on. But once you understand how socially intelligent crows actually are, the behavior becomes deeply eerie, because it begins feeling intentional. And perhaps the strangest part is this. Crows appear to behave differently when they believe humans are no longer paying attention. Remote wildlife cameras have captured behaviors researchers rarely observe during normal daytime interaction. Object play, tool experimentation, complex social interactions, quiet observation from unusually close distances, almost as if crows become more natural once human awareness disappears. This creates an unsettling possibility. Humans may only see a small public version of crow behavior during daylight, and the private version emerges after dark. That idea fascinates people psychologically because humans are naturally drawn toward hidden intelligence, especially intelligence operating parallel to human life. Not beneath it, beside it. Crows trigger that feeling constantly because they never fully behave like ordinary wildlife. They behave like aware participants sharing human environments. That changes how people emotionally interpret them, especially after repeated encounters. One of the most commonly reported experiences among people living near crows is the sensation of being recognized, not attacked, not followed dramatically, simply recognized. The same crow appearing repeatedly, watching from familiar locations, reacting differently than nearby birds, remaining calm while observing. Humans instinctively understand sustained observation. Eye contact creates emotional tension, and crows are unusually comfortable maintaining visual focus compared to many animals. Sometimes a crow simply stares, still, focused, unmoving. And something about that gaze feels deeply intelligent, because humans evolved to recognize attention from other minds, especially in darkness, especially from elevated positions, especially from creatures remaining silent while watching. This may explain why crow folklore developed across nearly every human civilization. For thousands of years, humans associated crows with hidden knowledge, death, prophecy, memory, or messages from unseen worlds. Ancient cultures often believed crows knew things humans could not. Modern science rejects the supernatural explanations. But oddly enough, the underlying feeling never disappeared, because real crow intelligence still feels uncanny. The way they remember, the way they observe, the way they communicate warnings, the way entire groups react socially to danger, the way they recognize faces, the way they anticipate routines. The behavior feels too intentional for many people to comfortably dismiss, and nighttime amplifies that feeling dramatically, because humans become psychologically vulnerable after dark. Vision weakens, awareness narrows, sounds feel more important, movement feels more threatening. A single crow call at night suddenly feels loaded with meaning, not because the crow intends symbolism, because humans instinctively fear intelligent movement inside darkness, and crows sound intelligent. Their calls feel purposeful, strategic, alert, not emotional like songbirds, calculated. This becomes especially noticeable during unusual nighttime events. Many people report hearing crows react intensely before storms, disturbances, predators, or loud nighttime activity. Researchers believe crows maintain heightened environmental awareness during darkness because nighttime threats are harder to detect visually. So they rely heavily on sound, memory, and group communication. And once again, intelligent prediction becomes critical. That prediction ability may explain why crows sometimes appear to anticipate specific humans arriving before they become visible. People often describe crows waiting near parking spots before they exit cars, appearing on rooftops before doors open, watching familiar walking paths moments before humans arrive. This sounds almost supernatural until you understand how strongly crows depend on routine recognition. The crow is not reading thoughts. It is reading patterns, the sound of the vehicle, the timing of arrival, the rhythm of footsteps, the environmental sequence surrounding human behavior. And intelligent animals become extraordinarily good at predicting repeated patterns over time, especially social animals, especially animals surviving inside human environments. At night, these prediction systems become even more important, because darkness reduces visual certainty, meaning crows rely more heavily on memory, familiarity, environmental expectation. This is why crows become quieter after sunset, more cautious, more observant. They are shifting from active daytime expression into strategic nighttime awareness, and humans rarely notice how much observation continues overhead during those hours. Most neighborhoods feel silent at night because human activity stops. But from above, cities remain full of information, lights turning off, doors opening, cars arriving, animals moving, people walking, predators hunting. Crows continue absorbing all of it. And perhaps the most unsettling realization is this. Once a crow recognizes your face, you have no idea how often it notices you afterward. You only notice the moments when you notice it. But the crow may already know your patterns long before you realize you are being observed repeatedly. Researchers studying crow memory discovered another strange detail. Crows do not only remember negative experiences, they also remember kindness. Humans who regularly feed crows or behave predictably around them often notice behavioral changes over time. Closer observation, reduced fear, more frequent appearance, and sometimes what feels almost like curiosity. Some crows begin arriving before food appears. Some wait nearby silently. Some begin following familiar humans visually across short distances, not aggressively, attentively, like the human has become part of the crow's expected environment. That creates a strange emotional reaction in people, because attention from wild intelligence feels different than attention from domesticated animals. A crow owes humans nothing. It chooses where to direct awareness. And perhaps that is why repeated crow attention feels so meaningful, because it feels earned, not automatic. Over time, many people stop viewing local crows as generic birds entirely. Instead, they begin identifying individuals, the loud one, the cautious one, the curious one, the one always waiting on the same telephone pole, the one that watches silently from rooftops. Researchers say this is not imagination. Crows possess distinct personalities. Some are naturally bold, others more suspicious, some highly social, some unusually observant. Meaning humans may actually develop repeated relationships with specific crows over time. Not friendships exactly. Something stranger. Mutual recognition. And that recognition changes how both species behave around each other. Perhaps that is why people become so obsessed with crow videos online now. Not because crows are simply smart, because they make humans feel noticed, watched, remembered. And deep down, Humans remain psychologically fascinated by intelligent animals paying attention specifically to them, especially at night, especially in silence, especially when the crow seems to already know exactly where to look. Because once crows begin recognizing human routines, and once they realize nobody is paying attention to them after dark, their world does not disappear. It simply becomes harder for humans to see. And somewhere above neighborhoods right now, long after most people stopped looking outside, the crows are still awake, still watching, still remembering, and perhaps still learning more about human behavior every single night.